Custom Keto Diet Review. Everybody from celebrities like Adriana Lima all the way to regular Joes is finding that this diet is helping them look and feel great. So, if you are curious about this diet, keep reading to discover all you need to know, and if this program could work for you. By Rachel Roberts. Type: Weight Loss Program. Name of program: Custom Keto Diet Plan. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Custom Keto Diet Review. Overview of this diet plan: it is a diet program that has many more advantages to it than disadvantages. For starters, absolutely no food is off limits, and the program places a focus on eating healthy, wholesome, and easy-to-find foods. However, disadvantages include the digital-only format and the fact that some people should not use it due to health conditions such as pregnancy or the need to follow a specific diet program as prescribed by their doctor. What is the Custom Keto Diet? Custom Keto Diet System is a personalized, ketogenic lifestyle program that lets you lose weight relatively quickly. The pounds are not going to fly off overnight, but they are going to come off faster than if you didn't use this great program. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. It is a lifestyle change that will ensure you do not gain the weight back once you have lost it. It is a natural way of eating that changes your mindset about food and helps you keep those pounds off with customized, delicious recipes. It is an ebook that is loaded with fat-burning recipes that show you how easy, delicious, and fun it is to eat healthily. The Custom Ketogenic Diet System gives you vitamins and minerals to take, advising you to consume them each day to make sure your body gets what you need. You will have the energy to work out, go to work, and be a great parent. You will be forming healthy habits and getting all you need so that you will be well set for the future, a future of a healthy and slimmer body. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Using this method and taking advantage of the Custom Keto Diet recipes, you will become healthier, feel great, and gain greater energy. Best of all, you won't have to work out for hours when you follow this ebook. You can work out at a pace that is good for you, and you can even do home workouts if going to a gym is out of reach. You will feel energetic and ready to work out instead of other diets, which leave you lethargic and wondering when you will eat again. In sum, you will get permanent and real weight loss by following and internalizing this great program. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Who created the Custom Keto Diet Plan? A woman named Rachel Roberts is a world-renowned fitness expert, and she's helped people around the world lose weight, and most of them have actually succeeded. If you are into fitness, or you have been researching good diets to follow for weight loss, chances are you've run across Rachel's name. She is one of the world's most beloved fitness personalities, and it is all thanks to her tough but friendly approach to weight loss. Her students have enjoyed awesome results, all thanks to her proven system. She says that if a person can adopt a healthy day-to-day lifestyle, they will become much healthier and could even avoid excessive weight gain or other health conditions that come about as a result of being obese or overweight. The Custom Keto Diet Plan is Rachel's collection of workouts, tips, and healthy ideas. She gives you a rundown of all the experience she's gained while working in the wellness industry. She knows that everybody is different and that everyone will react differently. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. You should also know that Rachel is a motivational speaker, and she uses video clips of her speaking to help you along the way and keep you feeling positive about your journey. How does Custom Keto Diet Plan work? It is a personalized keto diet which will let you be a healthy and happy human, in a way that works for your specific body. The system actually helps your metabolism speed up, thanks to the great nutrients you will be ingesting. You have to follow the system closely in order for it to do this. The Custom Keto Diet Guide will teach you why other diets have failed in the past, why some people get sick, feel dizzy or lightheaded on them, or fail to lose weight. The Custom Keto Diet Guide will also explain why so many people in our nation are overweight and suffering from health problems. Most of the time, it is due to poor diet and exercise. Our lives are so busy that we are often forced to eat unhealthy food. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. What do you get with the Custom Keto Diet System? Here is a comprehensive list of what is included. herbs, minerals, and vitamins you must consume each day to keep weight off forever. The truths about foods you may have thought were totally healthy but are actually not. Detox recipes that will help clear your body of toxins found in your system. Easy step-by-step guides on how to eat healthily and boost that metabolism. How to get rid of belly fat 1 week after you start and get used to the system. A 4-minute tutorial about how to get rid of fat around the belly. A very detailed workout plan to get rid of the fat around the waist. Detailed information about the secret of the Custom Keto Diet system and why it works. Snacks and sweets you are able to enjoy while taking part in this program. Foods that will boost your stamina, so you have more energy during the day. Support and motivation for losing weight and keeping it off. Aside from these great benefits, here is the table of contents for this great ebook. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Keto 101. Ebook and video your customized diet plan recipes for bacon. Yes, it is keto-friendly, fat bombs for keto party snacks, keto-style superfood, keto smoothies, keto peanut butter recipes, savory keto foods, chocolate, keto treats, avocado, the keto way, keto desserts, keto cookies, keto recipes. Fast. The methodology of Custom Keto Diet. The Custom Keto Diet system is a plan that helps you get rid of excess weight in a relatively short period of time but not gain it all back. It can take just a matter of months for you to see and feel real progress with this program. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Here is how Rachel does it. Choose your meal preferences, e.g., how many meals do you want to eat? What types of meals? What size? Set nutrition goals, e.g., macros, weight loss or muscle growth. Enter dietary requirements, e.g., are you vegan, gluten-free, paleo? Once this is done, your personalized diet plan will be created. It is not going to be a walk in the park, it is going to take lots of hard work on your part to really make things happen. You will be eating healthy most of the time and making sure to get all your vitamins and minerals. You will be eating delicious and wholesome food designed to make you look and feel your best. You will be making such a healthy change in your body that you will lose weight naturally. This lifestyle change helps your body get to its set weight, and you will look and feel fantastic. Rachel Roberts knows that starting a new diet is not an easy task. Many people who try new diets fail over 90% of the time, because they throw themselves in headfirst and then burn out quickly. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. This program focuses on doing all the heavy lifting for you so that you can just follow the diet program and enjoy the results. You do not have to do anything except shop for and prepare the meals that Rachel lays out for you based upon your preferences. Your transition into the keto lifestyle will be smooth, too. You will know just how much of each food to eat, and after the initial 2 months of the program are up, you will be well versed in how much food you need to stay satisfied but still burn fat. Best of all, you have lots of support, and you will enjoy learning as you go along and notice the positive changes taking place in yourself. Why try the personalized keto diet plan? The Custom Keto Diet system is excellent if you A. do not want to be hungry and B. do not want to feel tired or weak while getting healthier. It shows you how to eat healthily and do it for life, so you will always be slim. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. It helps you avoid the health issues many people are facing today, such as poor cardiovascular health happening at young ages and joint damage due to excess weight. It helps the weight come off of your body at a fast pace, but not so fast that it is unsustainable and unhealthy for you. It is great for adults who are already working hard and may not have a lot of time working out and eating well. Between work, parenting, and other responsibilities, there are simply not enough hours in the day for everyone to be their best all the time. Custom Keto Diet system is great for helping you learn how to burn fat quickly and what to eat and what to avoid. This makes it easy to live every day in a keto way, regardless of what's happening in your daily life. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. On this keto diet, no food restrictions are in place, although you will find yourself eating less of foods you may have consumed before, such as refined carbs. You will absolutely be making new dietary habits and giving up some old, unhealthier ones as you go about this lifestyle change. And yes, you can do it. Remember, it takes 21 days to form a habit. You will be well on your way to forming some good ones as this program continues onward. By the time your initial 8 weeks come to a close, you will be much more confident in your ability to stick with your new, healthy lifestyle. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. And you are not going it alone. Rest assured that there is support available for you every step of the way. Simply sign in on whatever device you like and log in to talk to others also following this program. Benefits of the Custom Keto Diet. The pros. The Custom Keto Diet system is world-renowned because of its ability to help users change their mindset about food and help them maintain a slim body and healthy lifestyle. Users end up feeling energetic, healthy, and better overall. They feel satisfied and never go hungry on this program. It starts from the ground up. It begins by making your lifestyle healthy before the focus shifts to weight loss. It ensures that you are forming healthy habits instead of looking for a quick fix to drop those excess pounds. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. That would just lead to the weight coming back as a result of never having learned to eat the right way from the start. The program is personalized and takes you through the process step by step. You get all the right nutrients and foods to accelerate the fat-burning process. Your current weight, age, or gender does not matter, either. You are able to use it no matter what life stage you are in, unless you are pregnant or have special dietary needs. The system is a surefire path to a slim and fit body that you will enjoy for life. It is going to take a lot of work on your part, and there are no doubt going to be some days you want to dive headfirst into a giant bowl of ice cream or munch on potato chips. However, Rachel will keep you motivated every step of the way, and you will love the results. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Best of all, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. If the program does not work for you for whatever reason, you can simply get a refund and try something else. It's as easy as that. Custom Keto Diet. The disadvantages. The cons. Despite all the great things about this system, it definitely has its weak points. In this section, we will go over the weak spots of the program as a means of providing you with a fair and balanced look at the program. For starters, pregnant women are not allowed to use this program. Women who are pregnant should consult with their doctors about what to eat during this special time, so their child is nourished and healthy, and so mom can enjoy a safe and successful birth. Doctors can also provide moms to be with safe exercises and workouts for pregnancy. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Secondly, those with health issues requiring a special diet should not use this program. If you are in recovery for an eating disorder, for example, you should work closely with your doctors to ensure you are eating properly and healthfully. The last disadvantage we found is that there are no hard copies of this book available. You can only get this digitally, which is fine as many of us have e-readers or at least an app on our smartphones that can handle ebooks. However, some folks may prefer a hard copy, which is understandable. Pros and cons. Simplified pros. Great for everyone regardless of age, weight or gender. Teaches healthy lifestyle habits written by a weight loss professional. No food off limits. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Cons. Not for those with dietary restrictions or women that are pregnant. Digital download only. Our bottom line, should you get Custom Keto Diet? With this program, you will customize a lifestyle program that works best for you and lose weight relatively quickly. You will soon come to know why this program is growing so fast, why it is so popular and why it offers its users amazing results. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. You can customize the program to fit your lifestyle, whether you prefer to follow traditional keto, need a vegan plan, or need a paleo program. In summary, this is a fantastic lifestyle change that will have you looking your best and taking pride in knowing how to eat in a healthy and satisfying way. If you are ready to look and feel great, grab your copy of Custom Keto Diet and read on. My final recommendation is to pick Custom Keto Diet from its official website in the first link below. Follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.